In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high converting landing pages using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like create a landing page for this product or service. Then include your target audience, the offer, and the goal, whether it signs up, purchase, or bookings. DeepSeek will instantly generate a full landing page layout, including a strong headline, persuasive subheader, benefit-focused sections, CTAs, features, FAQs, and even hero text. You can ask it to rewrite versions that sounds more professional, more emotional, or more sales-driven, and request multiple variations for A and B testing. If you need visuals, DeepSeek can suggest image ideas, color themes, and layout structures you can copy into tools like Canva, Wix, or WordPress. Once you have everything, just paste content into your page builder and customize the design. And that's it.